So when you read this question, you immediately recognize that this is a triple Venn diagram problem. And if these are my three categories, then we're told that 10 study all three. This here is students who are studying H and E but not P would be that region here, because this is students studying H and E, and this region is what excludes P, so that would be 20. So anytime I put a number here, that represents that particular region, and then you just simply have to add them. There's no one outside here because they tell us that at least each one is studying either H, E, or P. There's no one who's not studying any of those. Now, every student who studies P also studies H or E or both, which means that this would be 0. The students that study P have to fall in these three regions. Now, we're given this condition that number of students studying H, which was the entire circle, is equal to that. And what I'm going to do is to introduce some variables. That's kind of my preference. So X would be students studying H alone. Y would be E alone, and this is A and B. So our first condition, and with these types of questions, you will always get some made-up conditions, and every question will have some other condition. So total number of students who are studying H is X plus A plus 30. So I'm literally adding up all the categories and is equal to number of students studying E. So you'll see that 30 part is the same. So X plus A equal to Y plus B. Now the other condition we have is that the total number of students would be the sum of all of these categories plus 30. Note this is 0 here. And now you'll see that X plus A is equal to Y plus B. Now before that, I'll phrase the question, meaning what are we looking for? The number of students studying H, which is X plus A plus 20 plus 10. This is what we're looking for. So I really need X plus A, and I notice that Y plus B is X plus A. So if I rearrange this, this is simply X plus A. So I get 74 is 2 times X plus A plus 30. I can subtract that. That becomes 44. That means X plus A is 22. And if I plug it in here, 22 plus 30, I get 52. Note here that there's no unique value for X and A. That's what makes this problem difficult. And same thing with B and Y, but their sum is fixed. So the answer is 52. Just as a comment, I mean, I used to find triple Venn diagram problems really confusing. I don't like to use the formula for the triple Venn diagram, especially because these are the type of setups that doesn't really help you. Instead, if you just label each of these individual regions and understand what they are, for example, A here represents the number of students who are studying H and P but not E. As long as you understand what these regions individually mean, you can always translate whatever relationship they give you in algebraic terms. So this is my personal preference. There are probably other ways. Everyone is going to do it differently. So figure out a method that you can consistently apply, especially with triple Venn diagrams and double Venn diagrams, that you can apply to different questions. I think that would be the most important thing to do. But to summarize, the answer here is 52.